Okay, I thought I'd show you this inside workings of this Micromark Mini fridge. It's a very small fridge, but it does its job very well. Here's a back view of it. It's made by Micromark. Well, the plug must have gave it away already. It's also not only a AC powered one, it's also a DC powered as well. There's a plug for it, and the other plug. Quick look around the front. Got an England sticker on the front. It's pretty faded. The camera can't pick it up, which is kind of a shame. Here's the inside view of it. There's the door. It's pretty heavy actually. It's split into two things. This bit here is plastic, and this bit here is metal. Got its own little shelf and stuff. And it's been sitting under there for about 2-3 months. So let's open this thing up and take it apart and have a look, see how well it works. Here's the inside workings of it. It's a very simple layout, but it's very, very effective. Well, power comes in through here, goes up to this step down transformer, goes for all these capacitors and resistors, then goes into this cooling fan, which blows cold air onto this heatsink. As you can see, it's pretty dirty, you need to keep it clean. And then the heatsink drops down the temperature in the fridge, and that's basically how it works. Very simple layout. So what I'll do is I'll plug it in and turn it on for you guys. Okay, here we go. There you go, I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.